start with Kinder Surprise eggs. As you see, this is an Easter edition. And not only Easter edition, it's an Easter edition for girls. Let's start.
Open.
Let's open.
Let's open. Who's this?
A rabbit. Surprise! Okay, let's see. Okay, this is what we found inside. It's look like a motto and also some kind of animal. Yes, Valentina, this is a motorcycle. So, a powerful one.
Yes.
And this is a flyer of superpower models.
Yes. And me. Yes. Yes, mommy.
Yeah, oops.
Circus tricks.
Really cool.
Cool.
The speed is till 73.
Yes.
The weight 99. Happy. Happy birthday to you. Unfortunately, today we have no birthday. This is difficult to open, but
Who's this?
wow, there is a doll. Ariel.
Yes.
It's a Disney princess Ariel.
Yes.
What a surprise! Look what a beautiful Ariel we have found.
Yes.
It's really amazing. Yeah,
Her stick?
it's really cool.
Yes. Master, this is
So nice dress she has. Really nice one.
yes.
And just look how beautiful, amazing flyer we have. The Ariel princess, Disney princess.
Yes, it's fish. Yes.
Yes, she was a mermaid and then she became a princess.
Yes.
There we've got also a Milka surprise egg. Milka, slowly. There are candies. Inside of egg there were Smarties, violet and white Smarties. And let's continue. There are 4 eggs. We are promised to find at least one of the figures of Animal Planet.
Yes, that's true.
And as well, we can find a mermaid inside.
Yes. Let's open it.
Let's open it. Tina is already busy with opening. Surprise! What is there?
Quack. No, let's
dragon. So inside of this surprise egg we have found grasshopper.
Yes. Grasshopper, yes.
Very cute.
Yes.
And this is a flyer.
Yes. With this. Oh, this big
And grasshoppers, you see, can jump.
Yeah. This. Chocolate.
Chocolate. Is it tasty? So here we have found the lynx.
Yes.
A wild cat. And this is a flyer. Here we can see information about the lynx.
Yes, it's
They are weight range from 25 till 33 kilos, from 110 till 150 centimeter long, and they can jump till 3 meter high.
Yes.
Really dangerous jumper.
Yeah, so tricksy. Mama's rose open. Yes.
And we continue.
Yes.
And here inside was this little so cute animal. I'm not sure about who it is,
Yes.
but I guess that this is a hamster. And also
Open.
a ring was inside and the beautiful flower. Tina is happy to have it.
Yes.
Okay, and this is
Flower.
a flyer.
Yes.
Flyer.
Flower.
Let's go ahead.
6,000.
And here inside Tina has found a beautiful Pantera.
Pantera, yes.
Yeah.
Pantera.
So really
Pantera, yes.
amazing, beautiful animal.
Yes, amazing.
Dangerous, but
Yes.
and a flyer. Surprise eggs are running away.
Right now, 16 and set open.
Tina is really happy to open surprise eggs.
Yes.
Kinder surprise eggs are always amazing. It's always beautiful surprise to find. Special egg, you see the different color. It's a dark yellow. Tiger! We have found tiger.
Wow!
A tiger who eats a chocolate. Tina loves chocolate and Tiger loves chocolate. They both love chocolate. But as you see, Tina is faster. Tina is faster as Tiger to eat chocolate. And such tiger we have found.
Chocolate.
Really amazing one.
Chocolate. Yes, mommy.
Is ready to jump.
Yes, and jump. And cool.
And this is a flyer with information about tiger.
Go, Chelsea. Bye bye, Chelsea. Oh, chocolate. Curtain.
What is this? I think this is a cat or rabbit.
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 Yes.
And yes, this was a rabbit.
Yes.
So really cutie.
Kinder.
Cutie one. And it was with the ring for Tina.
No, it's this thing.
It's with butterfly.
No, it's
Flyer.
this.
A ring with rabbit.
Oops, so sticky.
Tina has found another animal, I guess.
Yes.
And this egg, Tina has found a dog
Yes, this what? No, yes.
who's got a bone.
Wow. We stick, yes.
Scary enough, this dog.
Yes,
It's scary enough. And here is a flyer.
Yes.
And there were different kind of dogs we could find inside.
Chocolate. Caramel. Susie.
Inside, what is inside?
This is the
Oh, this is again a hamster. And inside of this egg, we have found one more hamster with a ring. Cool.
Yes, it's cool. Bye.
Bye bye. Please subscribe,
Yes.
comment us, and like as well.
Ich kann alles sehen. Muss das sehen.
We will always make something new for you.
Bye.
Bye bye.